So as we have completed like four sources or four sources of criminology, so the next is the fifth source, which is the 10 atrocities committed by the British Empire. For example, when British colonized India and also the Kenya, so the British did lot of things which lot of things bad for the people of the colonized government. For example, in these 10 atrocities committed by the British people, the first there were like many. For example, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Bengal famine, the partition of India, the exploitation of Indian resources. For example, first in which we talk about the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So in this Jallianwala Bagh massacre, so when India was colonized, many people were collected at a place in Amritsar, Bagh called Jallianwala Bagh. So they just came there and to celebrate their festival, but the government or the colonized the government, British people, they just came here. The General Dyer, who just fired the people and killed around 400 to 500 people. At that time, many people just got killed, and many, just in the fear of getting killed, they just went into the well and gave their life. So this is a very bad thing. So the second is the Bengal famine. For example, when India was colonized, there was Bengal famine, because of which millions of people got died. So this is the bad history of British people. And also the partition of India. When India got its independence in 1947, so India was basically divided in two parts. The first one was the Pakistan, the second was the India. So this partition just was done on the basis of religion. So the people which were Muslim, for example, the people went to Pakistan, and the people which were Hindu, they were Hindu or other some small communities like Muslim, and they just settled in India. So in this massacre was because of the British people, as they did this on the basis of religion, and because of which like millions of people got died. For example, when people were going from India to Pakistan or coming from Pakistan to India, many people killed because there was at that time, like, there were several things in the mind of people, so they just killed many people. This was a very bad thing done by the British people. They just distributed the country on the basis of just the religion. The next was the exploitation of Indian sources. For example, when India was colonized, so they just took like trillions of dollars, as according to one video. So they just say that in 2 days, if we estimate, it was like $40 trillion, which the British people took from the Indian natural resources. So these were some atrocities which were committed by the British people when they colonized India, and also the Kenya. And thanks.